Nails disorder. Nail disorders encompass a wide range of conditions that affect the nails, which are composed of keratin, a tough protein. These disorders can affect the appearance, texture, and structure of the nails, often leading to discomfort and sometimes indicating underlying health issues. Nails disorder causes trauma, injury, or repeated mechanical stress can damage nails. Infections, fungal, bacterial, or viral infections affecting the nail bed. Nutritional deficiencies, lack of essential nutrients like biotin, iron, or zinc. Systemic diseases, conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, or diabetes. Nails disorder types. Nail psoriasis includes nail pitting, thickening, discoloration, nail bed changes, and crumbling. Onychogryphosis, nail plate becomes yellow-brown and opaque curved surface. Onycholysis, nails that separate from their nail beds. Ingrown toenails, tenderness and pain, skin inflammation, swelling. Fungal infections, thickened nails, discolored brown, yellow, or white nails. Paronychia, tenderness and swelling around the nail, red skin plus under the skin. Nails disorder treatment. Nail disorder treatments can vary depending on the condition and can include topical or systemic medications, antifungal creams or pills, antibiotics, light therapy. As nails are dead keratinized cell, and prolonged use of antibiotics and antifungal drugs causes severe side effects, homeopathy provides constitution-based holistic treatment without any side effects, which improve healing power of your body, which ultimately cures it properly. It takes a long time for proper recovery of your nails complaints. Start your treatment before it's complicated or too late. Struggling with nail issues? We can help. Are fungal infections, ingrown nails, or other nail problems bothering you? Don't worry, our expert team specializes in effective treatments for all types of nail disorders. Whether it's gentle care or advanced solutions you need, we're here to restore your nail health and confidence. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and take the first step towards healthier nails. Niramaya Homeopathy. Dr. Atul Kumar Singh. Address 023OB, Bilindpur, Civil Lines 2, near Dig, Bangalore, Gorakhpur, UP, India.